Welcome to this 3D AutoCAD tutorial in which we will be making this 3D part. So let's begin. So first of all, click this option in order to open a new file, and we have to go to 3D environment. For that, select this option and check this 3D modeling option. And still this is XY axis, which means that we are still in 2D. Drop down this menu here and select SE isometric, and here you can see three axes have been appeared, which means that we are in 3D AutoCAD environment. Now write down UCSI and click enter. Here select no origin, and you can see this XYZ axis have moved to bottom. Now let's make the object. Select this box, right click here in this environment window and type here 100, then press tab and then write down here 200. And now let's specify the height. I'm specifying here 25, then click enter, and here you can see the box have been created. Now let's apply some shaded view. Select this shaded option, and now let's create another box. Select the box here, select this corner, and now let's specify the dimensions here. So for width I am specifying as 20, press tab, and then for length specify 40, then press the enter button, and now let's specify the downward height, specify the downward direction, and then specify the height as 50. And now let's select this copy option, select this box that we have just created, press enter button, and drag this box from this corner to this corner. Press enter and then press escape button. Now type CO, because CO is the shortcut key for copy. Press enter, select this box and drag this box from this point to this point. Then press the escape button. Again type CO for copy, press enter, select this box and drag it from here to here. Okay, press escape button again. And now it's time to unite all the components. For that, type UN and then press enter, or you can select the union command from here as well. Select all of these bodies one by one, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then press enter, and here you can see all the parts have become one single part. So now it's time to mirror. For that, type MIR and then press enter. Select this body and then press enter and zoom in a little bit, and then select this center point, this one. Select this, and here you see the body is ready to mirror. We just have to specify some parameter. Press tab button twice and specify here 180 degree, then press enter button, and here you can see the part has been mirrored. So if you find this tutorial helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.